Make a great choice today with the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, fog lamps, front wheel independent suspension, rain sensing wipers, HID headlights, remote vehicle start, power sunroof. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.